Hello everyone, you're welcome to another great video, Iyke Phelim, for the Iyke Phelim Adventure series. Yes, I got 4 new panels, 180 watts each, making a total of 720 watts, yeah, which I'll be adding to my 1300 watts already installed, which is going to give me a total of about 2000 watts, that's 2 kilowatts for that array. Okay, for a list of all the items I use, inverter, solar panels, charge controllers, everything, follow the link in the description below. With time, I'm going to build another array and I'll add a second charge controller and we bombard the battery with more power. It's all about solar, it's all about off-grid, it's all about renewable energy. So without wasting so much of your time, come, let's go install the 4 new panels. Come. Yes, I just got more panels. 4 more panels, which I'll be adding to my array. These are rated for 180 watts. And this SunFit solar panels. So 4 more of these, I'll be taking them up to add to my array. My array presently has 12 panels. Now I'll be adding these 4 to it. So I'll be hitting 2000 watts. That's 2 kilowatt array. These are my panels that just arrived. 4 of them in number. 180 watts rated. SunFit 180 watt monocrystalline panels. And they are made in Germany. So they are German cells. The cells are made in Germany and they have 25 years warranty. Without further ado, let me just quickly take them up and add them to the array and see what we have in our charge controller. 4 new panels. More power. More power. Okay, so now I have been able to arrange the 4 new panels in series. So that's a series string of 4 panels. Then I'm going to get the old panels, the ones I've been using before, 80 number. Then I'll create 2 more series strings. Then I'll now connect all of them in parallel. That way I'll have 4S3P totaling 2000 watts. That's 2 kilowatts of solar power. So I'll just quickly show you the one I'm using currently, the previous one. Okay, so this is my present array. This is the present array of 8 panels. I'll be disconnecting these panels. Then I'll bring them over here. And connect it to this. So at the end of the day, we're going to be having 12 panels in total. 4 in series. 4 in series and 3 parallel. That's 4S3P. 4 series, 3 parallel. Okay, let me just do that quickly, okay? Yeah. I'm building my connectors, the wires I will use to connect the panels in parallel. You can buy your wire connectors and 3-point, 4-points. You can buy them in the market. You can buy the 3 parallel. That's for 3 chain, for a chain of 3. You can buy for a chain of 3, a chain of 4, a chain of 5. That's 3P, 4P, 2P. You can buy them ready-made in the market. But me, I'm just going to construct mine and use. Right here is one I just did. So here we have the positive terminal, which will take out, even though it's positive, it's actually negative because it will convert, it will fit into the negative slot. For that, going to the charge controller. Then here are the other points. So here is one point. This is the second point. And here is the third point. So with this now I can connect 3 series chain in parallel. I can connect them in parallel. This is the point where it comes out and goes to the charge controller. Then this connects to one of the series chain. This connects to the second series chain. And this connects to the third series chain. So this is a 3P coming out. This is a 3P. And I'm using a 3P structure now, so it's just going to work fine. When I'm through, I'll connect it all and we'll go and check and see how it works in the charge controller. Alright, so here I'm making the other set. I'm making the other set for the, that's this for the negative end. Here are my wires and my MC4. So I'm just going to make all this look neat and tidy. Make it look neat and tidy. Then by the time I finish this, I'll connect my panels. Okay, see you then. Okay, so I have finished my installation. Wow. I finished connecting my panels. There you go. We have 12 panels in total. 4 in series. And each series string connected in parallel. So we have 3 parallel. I've been able to connect it all in parallel. I'll take you to the powerhouse so we see what we are generating. So see the power we are generating, okay? Let's go to the powerhouse. And so we're at 100%. And we're in bulk mode right now. Everything in the house is on. All my appliances are on. We're charging with about 18.7 amps. And the PV voltage is at 65, thereabouts. 65 volts. So far today, we have generated 2.4 kilowatt hours. The temperature here is 34 degrees. It's 1 in the afternoon. And we are boosting. The battery is at 58.57, 58. So we are at bulk mode right now. We're generating a lot of electricity from our solar panels. We have 2 kilowatts in our array up, and everything is working fine. I just saw it get to 19 amps just now. Okay, so we're good. We're good. Everything is working fine. Yeah. Let's just check what we are consuming. As you can see right here, that's the battery. The battery is full. That's the battery voltage. We're hitting 58 and between 57 and 60 because we're in bulk mode right now. We're boosting.
the boosting. Right here is the frequency of the electricity, that's 50 hertz. That's the percentage of the load from the inverter, and that's the volt ampere. So we are consuming roughly, let's just say 500 watts. We're using like 500 watts, and everything is fine. Okay.
Okay, so you're welcome back. Quite interesting. More power, more power, more power from our solar structure. So please do not fail to hit the like button, subscribe, leave comments, and most importantly, have a great day. Ike Phelim here.